Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you this Honda CMX500 Rebel. It's actually a 471cc parallel twin motor and is A2 legal, so very popular with first time riders, and the low seat height and custom looks actually makes it a really popular all-rounder anyway. This is a 2018 18 plate bike, one owner from new, fully stamped service history, and it's in immaculate condition as you'll see. So we'll start at the front. This bike does come with ABS. It's got the custom cruiser, fat boy like tyres on the front. Single disc on this model, which is more than enough. Bike's largely standard. There's a couple of aftermarket bits, like these fork leg indicators, standard indicators as well. The bike does come with some bar risers just to increase the height of the bars, to make it a little bit more comfortable, but we can return this back to standard if the new owner wishes. Bodywork, as you can see, is in immaculate condition. There's no signs of corrosion or anything like that on this side. It's been well maintained by its previous one owner. Standard exhaust on this, you might want to replace that with something aftermarket, and we can definitely facilitate that. We do offer some discounts for our customers who are having bits fitted to the bikes before delivery. You'll see on the back that it does have this kind of luggage rack. We also have the standard rear seat if you wanted to put that back on as well. Tyres, brakes, chain and everything like that. For such a low mileage bike, as you'd expect, they're in very good condition. And again, on this side, you can see it's in pristine condition. No marks, scratches, bangs, or anything like that. No sign of accident damage. It's a really nice bike. Got two keys on this bike on the side. It's a bit of a custom retro cruiser this, so it's got a fully digital dash, fuel, speed, and then the mileage you can see there, low mileage, 6,817 miles. Let's give her a start up. So all of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty. At the moment, our bikes are also coming with free delivery, and that's only during the lockdown period, so make sure you take advantage of that while you still can. We do offer a part exchange facility and finance if you need it. Happy to answer any questions. Please feel free to reach out to us via WhatsApp, Facebook. We've got live chat on both the website and Auto Trader, and of course I'm happy to take any calls. Thanks very much for watching. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.